According to the press release, the pans were designed to do just that. Speaking of which, here's Herbie with the latest Windmill Windup update.
Indeed. The Windmill Windup registration closed recently, with over 120 teams hoping to secure one of only 80 spots. And just today, the organisation announced that Viima have been selected for the 2012 edition. It's been 6 years since Viima joined the Windmill, but last time they were here, they won it.
That's great, Herbie. That's all for us here in the studio. Thank you for watching. And remember, the disc never lies. Good night.